Hello friends, hello everyone, welcome back to our Team Auto Trend channel. This is your Viprajesh again. Now be it your old car or you are buying a brand new car, okay, the ultimate safety is always 24/7 monitoring. That's what I feel, okay, because no matter how safe we drive, no matter how safe is the environment, there are multiple kinds of drivers on the road, okay, so which means we need to monitor our safety continuously, and even if the car is parked, you need to monitor the car always, right? So for that, I have a premium dashcam model for you. Okay, this one here is the Redtiger F7N Elite model, and this one costs around 17,000 rupees. Well, it's under 17,000 rupees as a final price. So we are going to check this brand new dash cam out because this one has got the STARVIS 2 sensor, it's got voice control, GPS and 4K ultra clarity and a lot of features going on with this. So I'm going to see whether this one is worth it, what all functions does it have, how does it connect, how's the clarity, quality and all. So please stay tuned to watch till the end, and if you find this device useful for your car, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so let's check out this dashcam. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel as we provide detailed reviews of all cars, and along with that we are also providing reviews of these accessories as well. And please do follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Let's get on with the review of this dashcam. Right. Alright friends, let's unbox this to see what all components does it actually house. The quality is actually good off the box. Okay. So this one here is the main head unit. Okay. So this is what actually faces the road, the front camera over here, and if you order this dash cam from the Redtiger official website, you also get an inbuilt 128 GB memory card. Yes, it's not inbuilt, but yeah, they provide you that as a compliment. And then you have other multiple mode buttons and other controls on this head unit itself, along with the power button on this side. Okay, the screen is actually nice and large so that you can always monitor what's ahead and rear of you. Okay, and then we have the actual mount for this front head unit. Okay, so this is not only the mount, this is actually the housing for the GPS unit as well, GPS tracking unit, that's actually inbuilt into this, and you have to interlock this with the head unit. Okay, I have locked this and we are going to mount this on using this 3M double side tape. Okay, then what's on this side? This one here is the instruction user manual for this, and along with that they have also provided the warranty card and other stuff and protective film for your windshields as well. So you get three protective films, quite nice and useful. Along with that, you have wiring kits. Okay, on this side of the box, inside the box, you have the rear dash cam unit, the rear camera unit, which is actually a 1080 pixel HD unit, and they have also provided wiring for that, a whole lot of wiring for that, because no matter what size your car is, you may have say a Hyundai Santro, or you may even have a Toyota Fortuner. So according to your car size, you have to adapt the wiring for that. So they have provided ample length of wiring, so that's good. And this one here is the rear camera unit. Okay, this is actually meant to be mounted in the number plate housing or on the roof. So it's a different kind of unit, unlike any other dashcam unit we have seen before, but this is very nice and compact. Okay, they have also provided plug-in for that. Then finally we have this one over here. This is the 12-volt adapter unit for plug-in into your car's 12-volt socket. And not only that, despite having this adapter, they have also provided a USB port at the back so that you can charge your phones. So that's quite nice, and they have provided ample amount of wiring for this as well. So this is useful only when the car is actually running, only when the power is available. Okay, but if you want your car to be safe, your car to be always be monitored, even while being parked, for that they have provided the hard wiring kit. Okay, this hard wiring kit can be purchased from Redtiger official website, but it does not include into the cost of the dashcam unit. Okay, so how does this work? You have to connect this hard wiring kit from the dashcam to the car's battery itself using a fuse tab, and whenever the car detects any sort of motion, any sort of say impact on the outside, and if someone wants to break into your car, the G sensor automatically turns on the dashcam and it will always keep the car under surveillance whenever needed. So that is a very useful feature, but this is actually optional. If you purchase the dashcam, you get the 12-volt adapter only, that is available as standard. So while running, the car will always be surveilled and it will be very safe. Okay, so this is all the components that are provided in this box, and along with that you get multiple other small mounting screws and all. Yeah, all right, so let's mount this dashcam and see how does this actually perform in terms of quality and clarity. Right, so here we are testing out the new Redtiger F7N Elite, and you can clearly see the clarity of the display. Actually, the forward facing camera is actually 4K in terms of clarity, which means even if you zoom in, so I'll just show you the opposite truck's number plate, registration plate and all. So even if you zoom in, the clarity does not break, the pixel does not break, which means you can use these footages for future reference. And irrespective of the brightness, irrespective of the daytime, the sunlight and everything, this dash cam, the unit itself, actually adjusts the brightness and contrast accordingly, so that you never miss out on the clarity and quality. So that is quite nice. And now regarding audio, I am not using my mic. I am not at all using my mic. This audio you are hearing, this is actually the live recording from the dash cam itself, from the dash cam unit, without my mic. Okay, so this is how the audio clarity and quality is. It is quite impressive that whatever conversation you are having inside the car, that is still in store for you, along with the video footage. Okay, so you can use this for future reference if you are giving your vehicle to a driver, so you can maintain safety and security, and you can always keep monitoring them. Okay, but if you don't want this, if you want better privacy, you can always turn the audio and other stuff off. So that's always available. Moreover, this is called the Elite model, which means you have voice control functions as well, so that you can turn off and on the audio. You can even say control the photo ability and start recording, stop recording stuff using the voice control functions itself. So that is also another premium feature available on this model, and I think for the cost, this is actually a worthy proper dashcam unit. So folks, that was how the clarity of this brand new Redtiger F7 Elite is. The front camera is actually 4K, so the clarity is ultimately fantastic, which means be it any other vehicle's number plate, registration plate or anything, you can easily zoom in on it and store it for memory and for reference, just for emergency purpose. And apart from that, you have a good clarity rear camera as well, which will always keep you safe. Okay, and then apart from that, there are some other interesting features in this unit as well, including time-lapse feature. Say if you are going on a vlogging trip, a long trip where the road is actually very scenic and the surrounding is very good, so you can take a time lapse using this dash cam itself and use it on your vlog. So that's very useful. And apart from that, you have the G sensor automatic recording function, you have screenshot functions as well, and you can easily access the already existing recordings in the unit itself. So that is very useful. And always, as always, you always have the option of say monitoring the video footage through a connected app of this dashcam app unit. So that is quite good. So according to me, this is actually fantastic value for money for the price it is actually offered. I am giving the purchase link of this dashcam unit in the description below, and if you purchase through the Redtiger official website, they are providing additional discounts as well, so that is good. And if you want the additional hardware kit, you can always purchase it from the Redtiger official website. Okay, so according to me, this is great. Do let me know if you are using this, and if you want to purchase this, check out the link in the description below. So meanwhile, this is Viprajesh. We will be reviewing other various car accessories soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.